Hi, good morning. I'm Ryan Howard, President for RMH Systems. Today, I'm excited to announce the acquisition of Top Shelf Integrated Solutions out of Columbus, Ohio. Obviously, Ohio is a great industrial state in our country, and Top Shelf has a great team to help us grow in that area. Strategically, the acquisition does a number of things for us, but what got us very interested early on was the alignment in culture and the way we go to market and the way we do things. Top Shelf certainly embodied that same relentless commitment and interest in the customer relationship that RMH has always had. Both teams have a strong emphasis on treating people the right way, being an innovative leader and steward for our customer, and certainly a commitment to upholding an exceptional customer experience. So this acquisition was driven by wanting to be able to do more for our customer base. What I'm really excited about with this Top Shelf acquisition is the expertise they bring in distribution, warehousing, and the 3PL space. And so now together we are able to pair an expertise and knowledge on getting the product into the case and getting that case out the door, and then distributing your products to your customers. It's a great combination of two really well run companies with a great product portfolio. There are many companies out there that can be that type of partner. And now with the pairing of Top Shelf and RMH, we're able to do that. This growth and evolution is all in the name of better supporting our customers. We want to be the integrator of choice for factory production and warehouse distribution. We will be the market leader. We're building something great here at RMH, and the best is yet to come.